Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm here with lovely Jill in Dubai at the villa. Awesome to have you here, Jill.
Thank you.
Great.
Awesome to be here.
So, Jill, what was your life like before you met me?
Single mom, working a full-time job, trying to make extra money because I could not do anything extra. And everyone I knew, they were doing cool stuff, and I was charging stuff on credit cards and just trying to keep up with them to
Keep
do
up
cool
with them.
stuff. And I was getting further and further behind, and I'm like, this is not how I want to live, especially with my son. I have a 7-year-old. I wanted to give him the coolest life, and I was definitely not going to be able to do that working my 9 to 5.
So how much debt did you go into?
25 grand in
25,000.
credit card debt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what made you realize that there was something more out there? What did you see?
I saw people online making money. I, of course, like everybody else, thought it was scammy, didn't really think it was real. And so I kept looking at it. I tried a handful of $7 programs, didn't really get anywhere with it, just felt like I was more confused. Tried a much bigger program, more expensive ones, and then I saw you. And prior to that, my mindset was kind of, okay, if I could make an extra few grand every month, that would be amazing. But then once I started talking with you and learning from you, I realized that there's no limit to what you can make.
There is no limit.
No limit.
So you decided to join.
Yep.
You went all in.
Yes.
And then what happened?
Then I went to the moon.
To the moon and went on to be one of the top affiliates.
Yeah.
And how much did you make?
I've made $330,000 this year.
This year.
Yeah.
And how is your life changed now?
Quit my 9 to 5 in May. I have bought so many cool things that have just everything I ever wanted. I've taken my son on vacations probably every month this year.
Wow.
And now I'm sitting in Dubai.
Oh, and you got a new bathroom as
I
well?
got a new bathroom remodel, yeah. I got a new car.
You new car, a
A
kayak.
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 $3,000 bicycle.
Yes. You had the same bicycle for how many years?
For, I think it was 30 years. I bought it when I was 16, and I'm 46 now, and I have finally got to upgrade my bike.
That's amazing. So life completely changed.
Completely.
Can I ask you, what is the goal?
My goal is I want to make several million per year. Multi-millionaire. Write it down every day.
Exactly. Visualize it. It's going to happen.
It is
Awesome.
going to happen.
Awesome, Joe. Thank you for sharing that. That was amazing. Awesome
Thank
to have
you.
you here in Dubai.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you.